Today we will have a lucky winner in festival and it's just in Landmark, guys, and it's over down here. Wait, let me get that, guys. This thingy, whoever finds this thingy will be a winner of our lucky subscriber. Whoever finds this, I'm gonna put it here. This thing, I'm just gonna put it there. In my birthday, I'm just gonna put it there. Bye-bye, guys. See you in July. In July 28, actually, we're gonna come back here July 28. We're gonna check what happened.